Ever launched an ad campaign only to watch results drop after a few weeks? A lot of the time, this just has to do with your creative. It's either ad fatigue or your creative just isn't working. When your creative gets stale, your CTR falls and your budget burns out. Most marketers know they should be refreshing their ads. But let's be real, who has time to constantly rotate images, videos, and ad copy? Right now, the process is broken. You upload assets, they run, and eventually performance tanks. To fix it, you have to jump back into Ads Manager, pause underperformers, duplicate campaigns, and manually swap in new creative. It's time-consuming, messy, and usually skipped until you've wasted ad spend. That's why we built the Creative Bank inside of Play. Think of it as your library of images, videos, ad copy that's always ready to test. You drop in the assets you want rotated, and Play's AI will take over. Weak performers are automatically removed, your budget stays focused on what works, and new assets from your Creative Bank are swapped in to keep testing continuous. No extra work, no wasted spend. Here's how simple it is. You can do this when you're creating your campaign or even once your campaign is already live. Is where you can have up to 50 images or videos to rotate in to your campaign's ad sets and ads. If an ad stops performing, it gets pulled out, and fresh creative from your bank replaces it automatically over time. If you don't add any new assets, Play still optimizes by refining ad copy and pausing underperformers, so your ads keep improving even without new uploads. The days of wasting budget on tired creative is over. With the Creative Bank, you stay ahead of your ad fatigue, save hours of manual work, and let AI keep your campaign sharp. If you want to see better performance with less effort, try adding your first assets into Play's Creative Bank today. You'll never look at creative testing the same way again.